Morning ladies and gents, this is a quick video for the AAVE holders that visit this channel, and let's just take a look at it anyway because it's one of the best projects out there at the moment for crypto. We are down about 9% on the daily time frame, trading at rank 41 amongst other cryptos of $1.349 billion. Now AAVE is a tricky one. It trades so volatile. We can see over the last 3 months we bottomed out around $48, we came up to $100, so already from the bear market this has been a 2x investment opportunity that has now expired. So the chances of seeing it go higher become less and less because the macro downtrend is down. So let's have a look what's going on. Recently some good news in the industry. AAVE DAO approves creating the GHO Stablecoin. The stablecoin will be backed by over-collateralized assets that continue to earn yield. So this is overwhelmingly bullish for the AAVE community, and despite all the FUD around stablecoins recently, it's very good to see AAVE press on with what they want to do. By the way, if you're new to the channel, guys, make sure you subscribe for my $200 giveaway of my favorite project, Lucky Block cryptocurrency. So what's going on? AAVE TVL across all of the versions. Looking at all the pools, the staking, the liquidity, things like that, we can see across the different chains, the TVL still remains very high at $3.62 billion. Now, retrospectively speaking, AAVE had a massive TVL of $33 billion, but I still think it's a thoroughly impressive amount of TVL. Looking at this, so standard AAVE has a 3.62 billion. We've got V2 looking at 7.53 billion. AAVE3 is 2.52 billion, and AAVE1 just 38 million now. So still very, very good to see these TVLs in the midst of a bear market, especially that we haven't really hit the depths of the crypto winter just yet. So what's going on in the price analysis? Well, I've been looking, and of course we are still in a macro downtrend. We are in this massive descending channel. Now the most bullish thing to happen right now would just see an immediate pump up to over here $200. We'd probably get a rejection just like we did over here in April 2022 and also in December 2021. I think that's very unlikely. However, we are also in a smaller descending channel, and to be honest, we broke out that resistance over here where we had resistance at $124 and also $104. We got this lovely breakout, we put through a higher high, and we are now getting that rollover as we do retest these lower levels of support. We have a critical level of support to hold around about the $93.70 level, and I have noticed that there is unfortunately a bit of a bearish divergence as we put through a higher high on the price and a higher low on the relative strength index on this 4-hour time frame. The Bollinger Bands also shows us that we are now just under the 20-day moving average, and perhaps we're headed towards this $90 price level. Now I still think AAVE remains very undervalued when you're looking long term. When you zoom out, the project does look undervalued. We bottomed out at this $44 price level, which already offered traders a huge increase of around 143% if you did get in at the bottom. So you can see a massive return has already happened here for people that wanted big gains. How much more can you really be asking for? If we look at the 30-minute time frame, again, you can just see it wants to break through this $93 level, and it could possibly still happen. If we do, we might see continuation down to some lower levels at $90 and maybe even retest around the $77 region. What I'd ideally like to see is a reversal and retest this resistance at $98.5. Then we might get some continuation to the upside here for our friend AAVE. So again, it's been very volatile. It's hard to truly predict what's going to happen next. But zooming out, I do speculate that if Bitcoin can get a nice bounce to $30,000 to $40,000 levels, I imagine AAVE would follow, and this would create a really nice exit strategy around these kind of levels, because I think we would get another rejection down to the $50 to $100 levels following this. So it all depends on whether we can get that swing high really. Remember over here where we had the deployment of V3 across different chains, we had a massive rally, lots of FOMO. That's why we had 3 consecutive weekly green candles. We've had a sea of red over here, and actually we've already had 4 weekly green candles in a row. So I think asking more from AAVE right now is, it's like trying to get blood out of a stone, and I think it's quite unrealistic given that we are in a bear market right now. So maybe this is it for AAVE. Are we going to see a rejection? We are forming a bit of a red candle on the weekly, the first one in a while. We could speculate that maybe we're going to drop a little bit. If we use our fib retracement, maybe we need to come down, retest the 0.5 levels. Like I say, looking at that $77 level could be a good place for AAVE to correct down to before taking another impulse and then maybe breaking through the resistance over here. So we just need a bit of a pullback. I think we're a little bit overheated here for our friend AAVE. Anyways guys, I hope you're doing well. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're new, comment, also like what you want to see on this channel. Come say hello in the Discord and the Telegram channels, and don't miss all the giveaways that are occurring right now in the comment section. It's a chance for you to make some money during the crypto bear markets. Bye for now, stay crypto safe, much love from Jake, see you soon.